Hey, what's up? Andre here, and I'm going to show you how to make $18.50 for free with no experience. So you don't need any experience to do this. If you have a smartphone, you can also do this as well. If you have a tablet, even better. It doesn't matter what device you have, as long as you can access the internet. If you're watching this video right now, that means you're eligible to participate in what I'm going to share with you. So no experience necessary. If you're brand new, that's even better because I'm going to show you how this works, and I'm going to show you a very simple way how to apply this. So keep watching this video all the way to the end. If this is your first time here to my YouTube channel, hey, don't forget to subscribe. Leave me a comment down below and let me know if it's your first time or you always watch my videos. I'll greatly appreciate it. So I'm going to show you how to make $18.50 for free with little to no experience. And this is going to be a make money online video. All right. So let's jump into the video. So every time I create a video or whenever I'm gonna go out there and try to make money online, I always do research. So you gotta consistently do research. You gotta know what's trending. You have to see what people are searching for. So that way it's gonna be better for you because things changes. There's always something happening, and based on what's going on right now, you wanna be able to be ahead of the game. So if you want to use this tool as well, you can use it. It is absolutely free. You just go to google.com/trends. And once you type in whatever you're searching for, so you look, right? People are looking for work from home right now. And I type in kids, kids work, meaning that can the kids do something? Because the kids are at home. So there's a heavy trend of what's going on. So if you scroll down here, these are some of the states that interested in work from home. So work from home jobs, that's what people are looking for at the moment. These are things that related to kids, like take your kids to work day, bring your kids to work day. These are breakouts that are happening as we speak, right? Because people want to try to find things for you to do for their kids. Kids are busy, and of course the parents are busy, and you want to have something that's going to occupy their time. So I went out, did some research, and then I went on to this particular website. Now this website is called Warrior Plus. This website is free also, so you could just sign up for it. Just sign up right over here, and then once you sign up, you can become a part of it, and you will have access to a lot of products. Now once you sign up, what I did, because the hottest trends right now is kids, I type in the keyword kids, right? And this is what I pull up. And I found this kids puzzle. And right now, this thing is hot. Like the release date is actually today. And so far, they have a conversion rate of 5%. They have 100 sales already, right? So 100 sales, and they have a 5% conversion rate. Visitor value so far is $2.99. That is very high. And the average sale, you're looking at $55, right? $55.28. So far, on their release date, they had one refund, which you expected because when something launch, right, people are going to be checking it out and they probably see something that, well, this is not something for me, which is normal. So if you want to promote this product, all you have to do is just click on here and you can request to promote it. Now, again, if you want to do your research, fine, do your research and do all that. But I looked at it and it's a pretty decent product. Like right here, get ready for to profit big in a hot market. So they're basically are helping people inside. So you can get instant access to kids puzzle, and the kids puzzle right now on Amazon, people are buying them. People going online, they try to find stuff for the kids to keep them busy because they probably are working at home right now. The kids are probably in the living room, they're screaming, and kids are trying to do some homework online right now. So this is a great product at this current moment, right? So these are puzzles, and there's tons of different puzzles that one can do. Here are some of the videos that you can see just to get the kids occupied, right? And all you have to do is look at the pricing. So standard $37, Pro, 67, and it's online as well. It's a training online, so the kids can access this anytime. So if you want to see what the overview looks like, if you are an affiliate and you grab your affiliate link, you could just come down here and you can see that they're giving out contests 200, 150, and $50 for third place. These are the price range of, hang on one second. So this is the price range. You're looking at 37 to 67. Commission rate 18.50 to $45.98. So you can make more money than 18.50. So if you look at the funnel, it's just a one-step funnel, nothing too crazy. They either have the pro or they either have this, and then they could get the done for you. So either one they buy, there's going to be an upsell, so you can even make more money from this particular product. Now, the products, these are standards, there's pro, and there's the done for you set. So done for you set is $24.95, and the commission is $12.48. Now, the pro edition is 67, and of course the basic is 37. So you can make a commission of 18.50, 33.50, or 12.50. Now you find the product. Now where do you promote? So if you got to this far, please remember to like, subscribe, become a part of the family. Again, let me know in the comments where you're watching this video from. So now that you get the affiliate link, now where are you going to promote it? Great question, Andre. Now we're going to head on over to Facebook. So Facebook, you want to go to Facebook, and if you have a Facebook account, it's free. You want to go to Marketplace. Marketplace is huge. This is a place you can go. You can also, if you have Amazon as well, you can advertise it on Amazon because it's a digital product. It's not something that's going to be shipped out. It's a puzzle that they can download online, so you can set that up on Amazon. But here on the Marketplace is a free way, and there's so many people searching for this right now, right? So if you look here, what you want to do, you want to sell something, you just click on this tab right here where you want to sell something. And item for sale, you click on the item for sale, you'll put your name, of course. You can put the price if you want. You can put 0 if you want. If you want more traffic, you could put $1, right? Just so more people can look at it, and you can categorize it. Now this, of course, it's baby and kids, right? You can put it into books as well. You can put it into electronics. You can do like home sales. So you can put it in various different categories. Toys and games is a good one that you can put it. And then you can get a picture. You can grab a picture, because once you become an affiliate, then you can grab pictures of the product. Let me see. Hang on one second. You can grab a picture of the product. You can look at it, right? You can overview. You could grab this kids puzzle, and again, they're gonna give you more information that you can use for your marketing. And then all you have to do is just put them up on here. You can go on YouTube. You can get some stock images. You can add some books on there and put books for kids, online books. So you tweak it, you set it up where it's very enticing. And once you do that, you can start making sales. You add as much as possible. You can go into different Facebook groups as well. Let's say you go to mom groups, all right? You can go into the mom groups as well. So go into mom groups. There's tons of mom groups that you can join. Moms work from home. Well, you could go into these ones like new moms supporting moms, mom supporting groups, and just go in there. And you just don't want to just go in there and start posting, right? See what's going on and tell them, hey, listen, hope you guys are enjoying your day. Not sure. Tips on what you could do for your kids at home. So you want to build some engagement where people are going to say, oh, you could do this or you could do that. Fine. Then, there's other people engaging. You say, hey, by the way, in that same thread, by the way, I found this great puzzle that you can look at. Hey, here's a link. And you put the link in the comments and say, hey, I found something that I think is really cool. If you guys want to take a look at it as well, then they can look at it, right? So it's a reverse psychology. You're basically saying, hey, anybody want to Anybody can tell me some things that you could do for kids being at home. And then everybody's going to engage because it's a supportive group. And then you could say, hey, I found something that can really help some moms as well. And then you can write something cute and then put your affiliate link in the comments. And hopefully, of course, you get a sale, right? You can start making some money. So don't go be spamming your links everywhere in these groups because they will kick you out if they realize that that's what you're here to do. All right. So just go out there, try this method, go out there and crush it. And I can't wait to hear your results and everything. So keep being great. Thank you so much for watching. If you're looking for my #1 recommendation, how I make money, check out the first link in the description. I'll send it over so you could take a look. All right. See you on the next video.